Okay, now, so let us proceed with the next step. No, I mean the second method in the deferred income or deferred revenue. Okay, so when we say deferred revenue, no, this refers to income not yet earned but already collected. Okay, again, ang deferred revenue or unearned income is a liability account, mga my dear. So, liability yan, pagkakautang po yan. Okay? So, ano po ang pagkakautang dyan? Yung serbisyo. Okay po? So, this refers to income not yet earned. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa nararender. Okay, yung service, but already collected. Kumbaga, paunang bayad. No? So, ang ginawa po natin previously is the liability method. Yung initial journal entry natin under liability method will be debit cash, credit the deferred income on or unearned revenue. Okay? So, sa income method, okay, using income method, no, ang initial journal entry will be credited to revenue account. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung method, yun yung naka-credit. Okay? Dahil liability to, normal balance sa credit. Okay po? Cash ang kapartner niya. Dahil nga, paunang bayad po siya. Okay po? Now, adjusting entry at the end of the accounting period under the liability method is deferred income, that is to debit the account of liability, no, the liability account, kung ano yung account na liability account, then that is deferred income on unearned revenue, and then credit the revenue account or the income account. Under income method, okay, ang adjusting entry natin will be to debit the revenue account. Okay, ibig sabihin, babawasan natin yung revenue na yon dahil ang iba doon ay liability pa, pagkakautang pa. Okay? Now, let us proceed with the previous example, no, na ginamit natin. Again, no, this refers to dental fees, no, for 5 months, no. So, under income method, the entry will be, okay, on August 1, the entry will be debit cash, credit, ano ang magiging credit natin? That is the dental revenue or dental fee. Dental fee or dental revenue, no? Pareho lang po yun. That is 60,000 pesos. Credit, 60,000 pesos. Okay? Now, under, lakasan ko ng konti ang volume, baka mamaya hindi nyo ko naririnig. Okay? So, under, the adjusting entry will be at the end of the accounting period, no? At the end of the accounting period, kung ano yung requirement, ha? Kasi fiscal year ang ginamit nila dito, di ba? So, fiscal year September 2023 ang ending ng fiscal year nila. So, ang entry niya will be to debit, that is to debit dental fee, kasi nga, hindi naman lahat ito income. Ang iba diyan, liability pa. Nagagets ba yon? Hindi naman lahat yan earned. Kasi yung dental fee na account is a revenue account, means na-earn mo na. Kaya lang, hindi nga lahat yan sa revenue mapupunta. Yung iba dyan, liability. So, dalawa siya. Yung 60,000 na yan, a composition niya ng earned at saka unearned. Diba? So, debit, dental fee, credit, unearned dental fee. Tanong, magkano? Dental fee. Giving the illustration, magkano dito ang unearned, no? So, kung ito ang earned, 12 plus 12, 24, no? 24K. That is the earned portion. Okay? So, magkano yung unearned? Ito po yon, no? Yung liability account or the unearned portion, magkano yon? 12 times 4. Magkano yon? 2, 4, 6, 8, 48K. Diba? Tama ba ako? Okay? So, that is a 60 minus 24. That is, baka 36 lang. Kasi 3 buwan lang po ito, ano? Na doble itong 12K, 12K. No? Dali lang. Tanggalin natin yung isang 12K. Kasi inano pa na yun eh. Dahil na-move yung cells. Okay. Okay. So, 3 buwan lang yan. Kaya dapat 36K yan. 36K, that is the unearned portion. Okay? So, ang entry natin dito, debit dental fee, babawasan po natin siya ng 36,000. Credit, 36,000. It means, binawasan mo ng 36 dahil po yung 36 na yun ay liability pa. That is the unearned dental fee. That is to record unearned portion of the dental revenue. Dental revenue to, hindi collected rent ha. Collected dental revenue. Okay. So, that's it. So, that's the liability method and that is the income method. Now, kung i-T account po natin yan, no? Kunin po natin itong T account. Okay? So, yung earned dental fee, merong credit na 36,000. Ibig sabihin, wala ito. So, 36,000 dito. Tama ba? Okay? So, 36,000. Double rule. Okay? So, and next, dental fee, merong debit na, merong credit na 60,000. Okay. Merong credit na 60,000 and then merong debit na 36,000. Okay? So, lamang ito, minus dito, merong 24,000. Double rule. Okay? So, kung makikita po ninyo, dapat kahit anong method pa ang gamitin, dapat pareho ang amount na lalabas. It means, this is the liability portion, no, of that 60,000 pesos, and this is the revenue portion of that 60,000 pesos. Okay? So, that's it.